Hey guys, we are back, and this time we have our winner for the 10-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw from Ryobi, and we are going to give him a call, so stay tuned.
Hello?
Hey, is Brian there?
This is him.
Hey Brian, you know who this is?
Yes I do. So Ryobi, right?
Do you know why we're calling?
I'm hoping to tell me I'm a winner.
You're right. You are our second winner of the Solar Ryobi giveaway. So you are the winner of our 10-inch dual bevel sliding battery-powered miter saw.
Oh, that is awesome.
Congratulations, Brian. We tried to get a hold of you. You're probably out actually doing something on a Saturday.
I was actually under my truck.
There you go. There you go.
Good place to be on a Saturday.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Man, that is awesome. You guys are awesome.
Well, we're excited for you. We're gonna box this up. We're actually including. I don't know if you saw the whole video of everything, but we're including 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries. Do you have any Ryobi tools now?
I do. I actually bought a 10-piece set like 12 years ago.
Oh, nice.
And just over the years, just been adding tools to it and upgraded to the lithium setup as times went on. And finances have allowed, and I mean, they're great for what I use them for. I actually worked in a shop for a couple of years and used the impacts and the drills and everything, and I haven't had any problems or anything break, so I've been real happy with them.
Nice, nice. Well, this will be a good addition to the collection, hopefully, and
I actually think Logan's kind of sad to give it away to see it go, to be honest with you.
This is a sweet saw. Like we might be replacing this one right away because it's awesome. You're gonna love it. Hey guys, I'm sorry. I started editing this video and thinking about this saw, and I can't do it. I can't get rid of it. I can't give it away. I'm sorry. I feel bad. We already made the call. So here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to give you a brand new saw, Brian. You're getting a brand new saw. We're gonna buy it, send it right to you. Congratulations. We're super excited. It's an amazing saw, and I can't part with this one. So you're gonna have to have a new saw, 2 new batteries. Congratulations again. We're super excited for you. Look for that in the next couple of days. Congratulations.
Awesome. Man, thank you guys.
Well, we appreciate you watching. And what truck are you under?
95 Nissan hardbody.
Nice.
4-cylinder, 2-wheel drive.
I had a 94 hardbody, 4-wheel drive. I should have never sold it. That was the biggest mistake.
Oh, man.
They're great trucks. Well, we appreciate you watching, and we'll get this in the mail for you as soon as we can, and look for it. And anyways,
appreciate it.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much.
Thanks for watching, Brian. Have a good one.
Bye.
See ya.
So there you have it, guys. Brian has won the miter saw. And apologize, our lights turned off. We can't figure out the lights, so it changed a little bit, but I think it'll be all right.
It's all good. All good, guys. Thanks for watching. We hope to do more of these giveaways. This has always been awesome. We're gonna keep doing this. We like giving back to you guys. That's the whole reason we started the channel. We've said that several times is for you guys, and we can try these out and give them away, even better.
Yeah, and part of the way that accelerates us to be able to give these away is, you know, we have an Amazon link in the description. If you want to click on that when you're doing your Amazon shopping, it helps us out. We get a small commission. And like Logan said, we want to continue to build this for you guys and just try them out and see how these tools are. And that's one way that it really helps us.
Yep. Thanks for watching, guys.
Please leave a message.
Come on, Brian.
Please Please record your message.
No one likes to answer out-of-state phone numbers, including me.
Look like scammers, I guess. That's. All right. Well, we're gonna give him a second, and then we're gonna try again.
So that's why we can't do this live, to be honest with you. We want
Nobody
to do
would
it live,
answer.
it would be rad, but then you guys would just be like, well then call me instead, I'm here. That's really what would happen. So we can't do that live. So we'll try to call Brian again here.
And give him another chance. All right, guys, we have a winner. My light just turned off. Here we are talking. We're gonna call this dude Brian Marks
Brian.
from Alabama.
Alabama. Crimson Tide.
Was that where the last one went to? I feel like
Was it?
James was in Alabama too.
I
Anyway.
don't remember.
All right, Brian Marks. All right, round 2. We're gonna try him again.
Please leave a message.
Do we leave a message? Do we send him a text?
Well, we should send him a text first.
Text him.
What do we want to say to him?
What? Well, he didn't respond to the text, so we're gonna try him again anyway. Because we're persistent.
We're more persistent than telemarketers.
Hello?
Hey, is Brian there?